Ma'am, this question has been the talk of the town. Does Imperial provide 100% placement guarantee? Simran, let me clarify you one thing that you have asked me a wrong question. But still मुझे इसका जवाब देना है क्योंकि this is a frequently asked question, not frequently, very frequently asked question. Everybody come to us and ask कि मैडम मुझे 100% प्लेसमेंट मिलेगा क्या? इसका आंसर तो nobody can give to anybody on this earth, because giving 100% placement without knowing a student and without studying academics properly is not possible. So whenever we discuss about placement, तो सबसे पहले आता है academics. और academics में भी academics has to be very rigorous. अगर academics अच्छे से है, then placement is always a byproduct of academics. And when I discuss about Imperial, so we are specializes in technical finance. And again, finance is also a very open-ended word because a lot of verticals come in the finance, and there is a lot of competition also in the market because students directly compete with the CAs, CFAs, ACCA. A lot of professional bodies are there wherein students make their career in finance. अगर PGDM finance का अगर हमें डिटेल में बात करना है तो we teach very technical subjects in finance. Just to give you a few examples, we teach financial risk management, we teach investment banking, fund accounting, we teach financial planning and analysis, then audit and taxation. These kinds of verticals are there in our syllabus. But ये अगर स्टूडेंट को ये सारे वर्टिकल पढ़ना है उससे पहले स्टूडेंट शुड बी गुड एट नंबर्स, दे शुड हैव अ बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स and जो what is going on in overall world in economics, because finance is all about the numbers. अगर आप देखोगे तो स्टूडेंट को मैथमेटिक्स, देन स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड अकाउंटिंग पे बहुत अच्छा होल्ड होना चाहिए. And if they can do well in all these vertical, and then we teach them all the core subject of finance, ultimately they will get the placement. Placement ka bhi, I'll give you one more perspective to this. There are so many organizations, those who hire students into core even technical finance. जनरली स्टूडेंट को बहुत कम अंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है कि मुझे बस XYZ इसी कंपनी में आगे जाके जॉब करना है. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देर आर सो मेनी अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दोज हु हायर स्टूडेंट्स इनटू द टेक्निकल डोमेन ऑफ फिनेंस. सो अगर मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट में अगर इस बार 10 कंपनीज आई है तो ये हमेशा नेसेसरी नहीं है कि नेक्स्ट ईयर भी 10 कंपनीज ही आएगी. नेक्स्ट ईयर देयर कैन बी 20 न्यू कंपनीज. They will visit us to hire the technical expertise in finance from student side, क्योंकि इंडिया इज ग्रोइंग वेरी रैपिडली. अभी कल ही आपने देखा होगा कि इंडिया, व्हेन वी डिस्कस अबाउट GDP, इंडिया इज has gained a 4th rank in global position. So India will be the next hub for GCC to set up. So if GCCs are coming to India, obviously the overall scope for the finance student, to make the career in this vertical will obviously increase. So if I, again one more perspective to this, when I, talk to student, I feel there is no point in discussing what is the average CTC, what is the highest CTC. If student perform well, companies also looking for a great talent. So companies are also ready to give the very attractive CTC to the student. लेकिन एक ही उनका क्राइटेरिया है कि student should perform well and student should give their 100% to the organization. अगर ये पूरा मिला के अगर complete package अगर इंस्टीट्यूट बना पाया तो there is no limit to the placements.